Hello students, I welcome you all to today's session. I hope all of you are doing perfect at your places. Today's topic is ethics and safety measures in computing. Learning aims. After studying this chapter, you will be able to know about internet, know about the advantages and disadvantages of the internet, know about the different security threats, virus, spyware, saved password, cookies, cyberbullying, spamming, phishing, and learn about the different precautions while using the internet and know about the netiquettes. Introduction. The internet is an extensive network of computers interconnected through telephone lines or cables. These computers can be located in various places across the country or around the world, with millions of them linked to this network. People use the internet for a wide range of activities, including searching for information on any topic, sending emails, online chatting, buying and selling goods, sending greeting cards and much more. So जो internet होता है उसमें आपका extensive network of computers होता है. You can do a lot of things, education, buying something online, shopping, interacting with people. So a lot of activities you can do on the internet. Advantages of the internet. The internet allows you to find information on any subject using search engines like Google, Yahoo and more. You can buy and sell goods online. It enables you to pay bills, read newspapers and send greetings. You can easily download songs, movies and play games. Online forms can be filled out conveniently. You can check train and airline schedules and purchase tickets. The internet allows you to chat with friends and relatives. It provides easy access to search for and read books. तो इंटरनेट पे आप Yahoo, Google की मदद से किसी भी फ्लाइट का डिपार्चर टाइम, अराइवल टाइम, टिकट के प्राइजेस, अवेलेबिलिटी चेक कर सकते हो, मूवीज़ की टिकट बुक कर सकते हो, कौन सी जगह पे बुक करनी है वो कर सकते हो, सॉन्ग्स, मूवीज़ डाउनलोड कर सकते हो, ऑनलाइन सुन सकते हो, पढ़ाई कर सकते हो, इंटरैक्ट कर सकते हो. यू कैन डू अ लॉट ऑफ दीज एक्टिविटीज़ बाय जस्ट यूजिंग इंटरनेट. Now we have disadvantages of internet also. Virus threats pose significant risks to your computer system. Opening corrupted websites can lead to virus attacks, causing problems and affecting your computer's functionality. Hacking is the illegal access to someone else's computer system by individuals known as hackers. Despite security measures, organizations still face issues with hackers. The potential loss of personal information is a significant drawback. Prolonged use of the internet can negatively impact one's eyes and mental well-being. So disadvantages क्या हैं? Viruses होते हैं, बहुत सारे ऐसे bugs होते हैं, आपके कंप्यूटर को हैक कर सकते हैं, आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन लीक कर सकते हैं. ज़्यादा लंबे टाइम के लिए अगर आपने स्क्रीन के सामने आप बैठे रहे, चाहे किसी काम के लिए ही, आपकी आंखों को खराब कर सकता है, आपके ब्रेन को डैमेज कर सकता है. So these are certain disadvantages which come along with the internet. Then security threats. The internet is a network of networks that we use for various tasks such as searching for information, buying and selling goods and more. While millions of people use the internet for a wide range of activities, it is not entirely safe. It is crucial to protect yourself when providing personal details like debit cards online. Protecting yourself involves identifying and taking preventive measures against security and privacy issues. Below are some security threats and their preventive measures. So you have security threats issues. अलग अलग टास्क करते हुए कभी भी कोई security threat आपको हो सकता है. So जितनी भी activities होती हैं उसमें आप personal information जब आप give away करते हो, it is not completely reliable and not entirely safe also. यही information आपके against भी use हो सकती है as a security threat. Now we have virus. Computer virus is a program secretly introduced into a system to corrupt or destroy data. It infects the computer by altering its functions without the user's knowledge or permission, destroying or corrupting data files and spreading from one computer to another. To protect your computer from viruses, install the latest antivirus software. Always scan data from pen drives or CDs with antivirus software before opening them. Some popular antivirus software includes Norton, Kaspersky, McAfee, AVG, Bitdefender and Avast. अब कंप्यूटर वायरस एक प्रोग्राम ऐसा होता है जो सीक्रेटली आपके कंप्यूटर्स में डाला जाता है थ्रू डिफरेंट वेज, और ये आपके कंप्यूटर के डेटा को कंप्लीटली या पार्शली डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकता है. सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट किसी भी सीडी को, पेन ड्राइव को, हार्ड ड्राइव को अपने कंप्यूटर्स में इंस्टॉल करने के बाद यूज़ करने से पहले आप स्कैन कर लें कि उसमें वायरसेस है या नहीं. ऐसे बहुत सारे एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर आते हैं जो वायरसेस को अपने आप डिटेक्ट कर लेते हैं और वहीं पर ख़त्म कर देते हैं. जैसे नॉर्टन हो गया, मैकाफी हो गया, ये सारे आपके एंटीवायरसेस हैं. Then spyware. Spyware is a software installed on your computer without your consent or knowledge. It can steal passwords, display advertisements, access bank account details and take control of your web browser. To protect your computer from spyware, install anti spyware software such as Windows Defender for Windows 7 and Windows 8.1. फिर spyware आते हैं, ये आपके कंप्यूटर में इंस्टॉल करे जाते हैं विदाउट योर कंसेंट और नॉलेज, और ये भी these can steal your passwords, display advertisements जो irrelevant होते हैं completely and can take control of your web browser. आपका वेब ब्राउजर अपने आप फंक्शन करने लग जाएगा विदाउट यू गिविंग कमांड्स टू योर ब्राउजर. एंड ऐसे आपके एंटी स्पाईवेयर्स आते हैं जो आप अलग अलग विंडोज या अलग अलग एप्लीकेशंस या iOS के लिए आप इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं. Then save passwords. When you enter your username and password, the web browser may prompt you to save the details for future use. If you click on yes, anyone who uses the computer can access the same site. It is advisable to click on no whenever your browser asks if you want to remember the password. अब कभी कभी आप देखेंगे आप पासवर्ड डालते हो किसी चीज का, आपका ब्राउजर में पॉपअप आता है that if you want the system to remember your password for future uses. अब अगर आप yes पे क्लिक कर दोगे तो फ्यूचर में कोई भी वो सिस्टम यूज करेगा बिना पासवर्ड डाले वो इसका एक्सेस करके आपकी जितनी प्रोफाइल है उसको गो थ्रू कर सकता है. इट इज एडवाइजेबल कि यहाँ पर आप yes नहीं no पे क्लिक करें. Cookies are small pieces of data stored by the web browser while you're browsing the internet. They can store information you have entered, such as credit card or debit card, numbers, names, addresses, and passwords. Some cookies are encrypted and cannot be read by hackers. To protect your personal information, instruct websites not to save your data. अब आपके आते हैं cookies. ये स्मॉल पीसेज ऑफ डेटा होते हैं जो वेब ब्राउजर पे आपके स्टोर हो जाते हैं व्हाइल यू आर ब्राउजिंग द इंटरनेट, जो आपके दे कैन ऑल्सो स्टोर इन्फॉर्मेशन दैट यू हैव एंटर्ड, जैसे आपकी क्रेडिट कार्ड वगैरह डिटेल्स होती हैं. दैट इज व्हाई सम कुकीज आर एन्क्रिप्टेड एंड कैन नॉट बी रेड बाय हैकर्स. Then cyberbullying. Cyberbullying involves bullying or harassing someone using electronic devices like smartphones, tablets, and computers through communication tools such as email, chat sessions, text messages, and social media posts. Due to the widespread use of the internet, cyberbullying has become common, especially among teenagers. Preventive measures to avoid cyberbullying include check privacy settings, ensure your privacy settings on social media platforms like Facebook are configured so that your only friends can view your profile and posts. Think before posting. Remember that the internet is public, so consider the implications before posting any message and keep personal information private. Never share personal information such as your name, address, phone number, school name, credit card or debit card details and passwords. Only your parents should have access to such information. अब cyberbullying बहुत ज़्यादा common है आजकल. लोग अपना अकाउंट प्राइवेट की जगह पब्लिक कर देते हैं, सबको एक्सेस इन्फॉर्मेशन का मिल जाता है, उसके बाद स्टार्ट होता है साइबर बुलिंग का पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट. सो बिफोर यू पोस्ट एनीथिंग ऑनलाइन यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि आपका अकाउंट पब्लिक नहीं है, पहली बात तो प्राइवेट है ताकि सिर्फ आपके फ्रेंड्स देख पाए, और इन अकाउंट्स में भी आपको अपनी पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन, अपने पेरेंट्स का डेबिट क्रेडिट कार्ड नंबर, स्कूल का नाम, स्कूल के अलग अलग डिटेल्स आपको नहीं फिल इन करनी है. दीज इन्फॉर्मेशन आर ओनली सपोज टू बी विद योर पेरेंट्स एंड नोबडी एल्स. Spamming occurs when a person or organization sends unwanted emails, also known as junk mail, to another person. These emails, which often include advertising materials, are sent indiscriminately to multiple recipients. To avoid spamming, preview messages. Always preview emails before opening them. Avoid interacting with spam. Never reply, forward or click on any links in a spam email. Use spam filters. Employ spam filters like Spambase for Windows, which is available for free. अब spamming तब होती है जब आपको कोई भी वेबसाइट अनवांटेड या जंक फाइल्स सेंड करती है फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ पर्पसेस दैट दे विश लाइक. अब ये क्या करते हैं, फालतू का स्टोरेज भी ले लेते हैं और इन सब में आपका वायरस भी हो सकता है. तो मैसेज को पहले प्रीव्यू करिए ओपन करने से पहले. अवॉइड इंटरैक्टिंग विद स्पैम, ताकि अपने आप स्पैम फोल्डर में चले जाए, और स्पैम फिल्टर्स को इंस्टॉल कर लीजिए अपने डिवाइसेस पे. देन फिशिंग इज एन इलीगल प्रैक्टिस यूज्ड टू ऑब्टेन पर्सनल एंड फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन सच एज पासवर्ड्स, अकाउंट आईडीज एंड क्रेडिट कार्ड डिटेल्स. अटैकर्स disguise themselves as reputable individuals through email or phone calls. Phishing emails are designed to steal information by directing recipients to malicious websites. Precautions to avoid phishing include the following. Phishing का मतलब होता है the illegal practices that are used to obtain your personal information through the internet. Phishing emails are designed to steal information by directing the recipients to malicious websites. emails आते हैं, वेबसाइट्स होती हैं, ओपन आप कर लेते हो, ओपन करते ही आपकी सारी डिटेल्स चली जाती हैं सीधे जितने भी आपके फिशिंग कंट्रोल करने के लिए जो इलीगल एक्टिविटीज या मेल जो आपको सेंड करता है. What are the precautions? Precautions to avoid phishing include: look for spelling and grammar mistakes, treat emails with errors as suspicious, as legitimate organizations usually correct such mistakes. Think before clicking, be cautious before clicking on any links in an email. Beware of similar web addresses. Cyber criminals often use web addresses that closely resemble those of legitimate organizations. Be wary of phishing calls. Be cautious of calls offering services and guiding you to log into their websites. अब क्या क्या तरीके हैं, अगर emails में आपको कोई भी स्पेलिंग या ग्रामर मिस्टेक मिलती है, कंसिडर इट एज सस्पिशियस, बिकॉज कोई भी प्रॉपर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ये गलतियां चेक करके ठीक करके ही आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन देगी। ऐसे ईमेल्स में जिनको आप जानते नहीं हो, कोई भी आपका लिंक है ओपन, उसको आपको बिल्कुल भी नहीं करना है, चाहे जितना भी टेम्पटिंग या इंपॉर्टेंट आपको वो लग रहा है। Now, general internet safety precautions. Follow these guidelines for safer internet use. Keep personal details private. Do not share identifying information such as your name, address, phone number, or photograph online. Avoid face-to-face meetings. Never agree to meet someone you met online without taking an adult with you and arranging the meeting in a public place. Avoid online arguments. Do not engage in large online arguments and discussions. Ignore emails from strangers. Do not open emails from unknown sources as they may contain viruses. Communicate clearly, write messages clearly and precisely, paying attention to spelling and grammar. Verify information, cross-check the reliability of information found online with other sources. Check email authenticity. Only open emails from known senders to avoid potential viruses. तो ऑनलाइन लंबे आर्ग्यूमेंट से बचें। फेस टू फेस मीटिंग ऐसे किसी भी ऑनलाइन इंसान से नहीं करनी है विदाउट कंसल्टिंग योर एडल्ट्स और टेकिंग देम अलोंग विद यू। जितने भी ईमेल स्ट्रेंजर से आते हैं कंप्लीटली अवॉइड करिए। जो अपना कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हो वो आप क्लियरली करिए, इन्फॉर्मेशन को वेरीफाई करिए एंड चेक द ईमेल ऑथेंटिसिटी। ग्रामर स्पेलिंग एरर है मतलब पक्का कोई ना कोई सस्पिशियस इंसान ही है। Now, role of parents. Parents can help to protect the children from the disadvantages of internet by using filtering software, installing filtering software to block inappropriate sites and keep track of visited websites. Blocking inappropriate sites. Control your child's internet activity by blocking inappropriate sites. Communicating about internet safety. Talk with your child about the dangers of the internet and encourage safe and responsible usage. Focusing on educational sites. Direct your child's internet use towards educational and career building sites. अब as a parent आप क्या कर सकते हैं? सॉफ्टवेयर को फिल्टर कर दीजिए, इन अप्रोप्रिएट साइट को पहले ही ब्लॉक कर दीजिए ताकि आपका बच्चा उन साइट्स तक पहुंच ही ना पाए। इंटरनेट सेफ्टी के बारे में रेगुलरली टाइम टू टाइम अपने बच्चे से बात करते रहिए, उनको अवेयर करिए एंड डाइवर्ट देयर फोकस टुवर्ड्स द एजुकेशनल एंड करियर बिल्डिंग साइट्स मोर। Now, netiquette derived from the internet and etiquette refers to the set of rules or guidelines for good behavior while communicating online. Key rules include: keep details private, do not share personal information online and think twice before posting, be tolerant and careful, avoid inappropriate questions and be open to different views, show respect, do not abuse others in chats or forums and respect differing opinions, avoid all caps text, using all uppercase letters is considered shouting, do not steal information, respect copyright laws and do not claim others' work as your own, use appropriate language, avoid harsh or rude language that could hurt others or feelings, avoid spamming, do not send forward or reply to unwanted emails, use internet acronyms, utilize a common interest internet acronyms to communicate efficiently. तो डिटेल्स को प्राइवेट रखिए, कॉपीराइट को रिस्पेक्ट करिए, दूसरे के काम को अपना काम दिखा के अपने चैनल पे आपको पोस्ट नहीं करना है, बी टॉलरेंट एंड केयरफुल, शो रिस्पेक्ट टुवर्ड्स अदर पीपल्स ओपिनियंस ऑल्सो, avoid caps lock text because often it is considered that you are shouting when you are using the caps lock terms, avoid spamming and use internet acronyms also. Different acronyms are listed below. The acronyms and the descriptions are given. ASAP, as soon as possible. HAND, have a nice day. BTW, by the way, see you well, catch you later. CYW, check your email. BFN, bye for now. See you well later, see you later. DND, do not disturb. FI1, for your FII, for your information. JK, just kidding. You are your. U2. THX stands for thanks. TC stands for take care. TTFN, Tata for now. OIC. LMK, let me know. LOL, laughing out loud. L8R, later. And K stands for okay. Then use of emotions. The term emoticon is the combination of emotion and icon. Emoticons are images that represent various human options such as happiness, sadness, anger, crying and yelling. They are used to express feelings and emotions in a communication. तो emoticons होते हैं, ये क्यों डाले जाते हैं? ताकि जब आप कुछ लिख रहे हो, अगर आप happy feel कर रहे हो तो आप happy emoticon डाल दो. If you are feeling loved तो आप वैसा वाला डाल दो ताकि आप और clearly अच्छी तरीके से communicate कर पाएं. Some popular emoticons are listed below. Emotions: a happy face with a nose, laughing face, winking face, surprise or shock, sad face with a nose, laughing hard, being tired and angry and yelling. So these are some emoticons that you can use according to your emotions. Let's sum up. A computer virus is a program that is secretly introduced into a system to corrupt or destroy data. Spyware is a software that gets installed on your computer without the user's consent or knowledge. Cookies are small pieces of data stored by the web browser while the user is browsing the internet. Etiquettes are a set of rules or guidelines of normal and good behavior that should be followed while communicating on the internet. Acronyms are some shortcuts of words or sentences that are used frequently to communicate on the internet. Emoticons are pictures that depict different human emotions such as smiling, sad, yelling, crying and anger. So you've studied about different computer virus programmings, कैसे आप उनसे बच सकते हैं, and certain emoticons and etiquettes that you should follow while you're using internet. Now explore yourself. Multiple choice questions. Which of the following program is secretly introduced into a system to corrupt or destroy data? This is a virus. Fill in the blanks. When the site owners and mailboxes are flooded with unwanted emails, it is referred to as email spamming. Write T for true and F for false against each statement. When the browser prompts us to save the username and password, we should always click yes to save it. Absolutely incorrect. You should always opt no as an answer. Critical thinking. Amana is writing as an email where all the text she had given is in capital letters. Is she right? Whether yes or no, give the reason to your answers. No. Caps lock is always considered as shouting when you are using those caps lock in the internet. So this is not appropriate. Assertion and reason questions. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. So you have certain points. Assertion: using spam filters like Spambase can help reduce unwanted emails in your inbox. And reason: spam filters block and manage email identified as a junk box. The assertion is also true and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Answer the following questions. Write the two uses of internet. You can study on the internet, you can shop on internet. Now tech fun, find and encircle 8 meaningful terms extracted from this chapter. See across and downwards. चैप्टर में से 8 meaningful words इन्हीं word maze में लिखे हुए हैं. Across downwards search करिए and encircle them. With this, we are done with this chapter. Follow the etiquettes that we have studied in this chapter. Follow up the chapter and rest of the exercise questions. Please do it yourselves.